Guten Tag. Welcome to another simple German conversation designed perfectly for beginners. Today, you'll learn how to buy a train ticket using short and natural phrases at a train station. At the end of the video, we'll summarize the useful words and phrases you learned. Let's get started.
Hallo, wie kaufe ich ein Ticket? Hello, how do I buy a ticket?
Du brauchst den Automaten dort. You need the machine over there.
Ah, ich sehe ihn. Und dann? Ah, I see it. And then?
Dann drückst du auf Fahrkarte kaufen. Then you press Buy Ticket.
Okay, ich will nach Köln fahren. Okay, I want to go to Cologne.
Einfach oder hin und zurück? One way or round trip?
Einfach, bitte. One way, please.
Zweite Klasse? Second class?
Ja, erste Klasse ist zu teuer. Yes, first class is too expensive.
Haha, ja, für mich auch. Haha, yes, for me too.
Wie viel kostet es? How much does it cost?
12 Euro. 12 Euros.
Oh, mein Geld ist im Rucksack. Oh, my money is in the backpack.
Keine Sorge, der Zug fährt erst in 20 Minuten. No worries, the train leaves in 20 minutes.
Perfekt. Ich liebe entspannte Bahnhöfe. Perfect. I love relaxed train stations.
Nur heute, morgen ist Chaos. Only today. Tomorrow it's chaos.
Dann fahre ich besser heute. Then I better travel today.
Sehr klug. Very smart.
Danke für deine Hilfe. Thanks for your help.
Gern geschehen. Gute Reise. You're welcome. Have a good trip. Great job! You just got through a simple German conversation. Now let's take a look at some of the useful words you learned, along with examples from the dialogue. Ready? Let's go! Nouns.
Fahrkarte.
Ticket.
Zug.
Train.
Automat.
Machine.
Rucksack.
Backpack.
Hilfe.
Help. Verbs.
Kaufen.
To buy.
Zahlen.
To go by vehicle.
Sehen.
To see.
Kosten.
To cost. Adjectives.
Teuer.
Expensive.
Entspannt.
Relaxed. Prepositions.
Nach.
To a place.
Für.
4. Adverbs.
Dann.
Then.
Erst.
Only, not until. Well done. You've just picked up some useful German words and phrases for buying a train ticket. Rewatch the video multiple times to get comfortable with the vocabulary. We post new videos regularly, so be sure to tune in daily. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, Guten Tag.